Yo, this is Nomifactory hard mode, I think part 7. Yeah, so over the like off screen, we got some more steel because we need it. That is kind of the problem that we're having, or that we had. Um, but- all right, so this should give us quite some oil. Oh fuck! Oh wait a second. Music is a little bit loud. Okay. So yeah, we will now convert a lot of that into naphtha so that we can then finally process some aluminium. And as you can see here, also our ender pearl, or the ender pearl kind of no, I think we have so much stuff, dude. We need way more, I think, LV circuits for that. But let's first do this one here, and then we can. Then we can. Okay, so we need an LV input bus, an output bus, and an input hedge. So this means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is it called? Yeah, 40. For now, did we need to play it? And we need some machine halls for that, I think, for this here as well, and for the muffler as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, this should be 10 here, and this one here as well. Okay. Yeah, here I think one more hydrogen is missing from. So yeah. We also need way more iron, I think. The problem is, oh, we have iron. Okay. It's this one here, silver, I think. Yeah. So 8 per. Our coal is now over here. 24. Because we also need wrought iron, so. So this is what we can do here. Yeah, so this will be then here our yeah, kind of our target that we want. How much do we need for wrought iron in terms of oxygen? 56, yeah, okay, that's fine. Let's do 10 of course here. Okay. Yeah, this takes a little bit. And again, like we need a whole lot of naphtha. At least like 32,000. So 32 buckets. You ready? Perfect. Okay. Because we will do that like step by step. Now we need one more. Because we need 2 muff. And we also need 2 maintenance hatches. So let's take E4. So the calculations were a little bit weird. But for aluminium, when you look at it through here, you need 48,000. So we can do quite a lot with what we have. So okay, then we just need to be here careful that we yeah, that's cool. Quite some stuff in there. Okay, I think maintenance set should also be on 8. And then we need some glue, right? We need 2 chests. Okay. Okay, here we need 6 times 9. So this is what? 54 should be, right? And then we also need a glass. I think we need an input hatch, right? Yeah. For oxygen, by the way. The 5 glue can be used for 5 carbon and 20 of those. Because we need them. Okay, so I would say we build that here, so input bus. Output bus. Input hatch. Maybe not these guys, but yeah. So in the meantime, we can how many do we need? 6, right? So we need like 12. Oh shit. Okay. Oh. But that's actually perfect. We should have now... Are you still doing something? Yeah. Okay, 9k. That's not bad. Let's let the pump work a little bit more. I think we have to do a little bit more. Do a little bit more oxygen. Later on, the best way to get oxygen is actually by the air distillation. So okay, they are ready. So um 12 as well. Waste a little bit energy for oxygen. All right. Let's actually craft these guys. All right, so let's do like 32 more. We need so much more. Okay, let's think about the circuits. How many circuits do we need? We need 6 here. In total, I think 3 here. 6 is 9, so 18. 18 plus 8, I think, was it? Right? 18 plus 8, which is 26. 18, so the 8 from here. Then let's do some more circuit boards, right? No, let's do like, it's like 60. So this should be 30, right? So 15. Yeah, let's do like 32. All right. It's still going, holy shit. Yeah, but the Napta is so good, I would say. Okay, we can also kind of get all of the components. So we said 32, right? Because we need more. So we have 32 here. This will then be a stack, right? So we need a stack of SMD resistors. So this means a stack. We have 32 now. So first of all, we need 16, right? 16 times 4 should be a stack. So we need some more annealed stuff. Yeah, maybe 12 more. Oh my god. I think, what is it down there? Oh, what is this? How many? 6 times 2, so 12. Right, yeah. You're still going, okay. No, how many is it that we get? Ah, we get 8, so. Yeah, then we can. How many glue do we need? 1600, so 2 buckets, right? Okay, next thing is we need now the vacuum tubes. So we also need a stack of vacuum tubes. Okay. How do we get them? We have 16, so we need 48. We can do 4. So okay, we need 12. Okay, we have 32 here. Then we need 32 tin to extract all of that. Okay, what else do we need for the vacuum tubes? Yeah, we need the... So we need 12 glass tubes. So yeah, we need like 12 glass dust. No, it should be... And we also need some steel, right? How much? So we need 24. So we need 12. So 6 steel. Okay, but I think we can now do the... so this should be 8. That's 8. Yeah, this takes quite a while, right? Oh, maybe. Kinda. Let's put this for now. And the problem is we can't use that now. That's kind of the issue. How many can I input there? I think 16 or so. Yeah, we would need... Okay, well, you know what? Because we don't have anything here, right? These are all full. Yeah, let's get some more... we still need the red alloy. That's what I forgot, right? Okay, first do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, but we can only do 8, right? All right, yeah. So we need a little bit more steel. I think 2 more steel. And also a little bit more. Yeah, let's wait for this real quick. Oh. Oops. So how much red alloy do we need? I think 32, right? And yeah, the redstone is not enough. Okay. But with this we cannot so first of all, this one. And then we can move, no, this one. Yep. Okay. Let's let this then do its thing, and then we can go for redstone again. What? Ah, okay. Okay, redstone was where? Yeah, redstone is kind of something that we need like all of the time or a lot of the time. Because later on we will get actually raw earth from that, and that's a very good one. Because raw earth is basically... Ah, it was this one, right? Okay. Yeah, let's take like quite a lot. Because then we can just process that whenever we need. Just have to keep kind of track, like at least 4 stacks or so if we can get it. But yeah, also the ruby will be then later on very important. This will be actually kind of the point then for redstone. Like nobody cares about redstone. At some point you get it as a byproduct. But you care about the ruby, and then also later the cinnabar. Basically that's mercury. Okay, I think we can cut it short here a little bit. Okay. Yeah, 2 stacks I think is more than enough. Because redstone basically we have a multiplier on that, so we get 10 times the amount. That's kind of the interesting part. Okay, there wasn't even... Okay, perfect. Okay. Yeah, it's just some cinnabar, so this is not big of a deal. Cinnabar is basically free. Again, it's raining. What else? So yeah, Ruby is quite important. So let's wash that, and then we can. But yeah, then we're basically done. We only need then some aluminium, and then we are basically in MD. So, but yeah, then after that, I think we need to do some more chlorine processing, so rock salt. I think we actually have some, right? Yeah. We just need to do that. So one of the most important parts in MV. So basically, what are the points in MV? First thing is that we need a cutting machine. The LV cutting machine is not that important. No, sorry. First thing is MV extruder. With this, we can do these small things like very easy. Then chemical reactor, I think. And distillery. So these are the two ones. Actually, not for, or like partially for oil processing, but mostly for ethylene. And then to an extent polyethylene. So yeah, actually have to look into this. If you metallic underheat, we need vanadium pentoxide and naphthalene for that, of phthalic acid. Can you actually do that? Yeah, 200 seconds MV. Or you do charcoal byproducts, which we actually should do, I think, at some point. But yeah, then you get potassium dichromate out. And then you distill that into metallic underheat. This is kind of okay. If you have some vanadium, but you need naphthalene for that, because this one here on 7 is then crazy. Because I think yeah, this will be then the better one, actually. You done? Okay. I think no more we can do then. Yeah, maybe we can do the. Let's calculate how much heatproof stuff we need. So we need, I think, 6 per. Right. So this was here 2, 8 per. So we need in total 2. Here is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, 17 times. So 19 times 8. 152. Divided by 3, I think. Right. And what we also should do is maybe some more cables. How many do we have left? 41. That's not good. Because we need also a lot for them, and steel motors and whatnot. 51. We need now 51 nickel. Uh, 38, so... Yeah... Okay, perfect. All right. But yeah, I think the this one here is a good one. 4320. But that's then easier, I think, because titanium tetracrylate is kind of titanium. It's not what you want to waste. But I don't know. Liquid? Poly? PBI? You can't do any else, right? Polyethylene red? Polyvinyl chloride? Ah, this one here as well. That's cool. Okay. Because this is what a problem was in my previous playthrough, that you had some conflicts basically for the recipes. But on LV, if you can already do that, like this one here isn't. It's not a hard recipe, I would say. Naphthalene, okay, coal tar. Is it really only with coal tar? Apparently. But yeah, that's what we could do. If you put in 12 coal. Or 8 coke. In the pyrolyze oven. Yeah. Oh, the silver. Oops. And that is a nickel. Okay, I like 2 more. I think we can actually cheap out a little bit. Okay. It was 8, right? Um, 16. Oh, I think it was 26, right? Yeah. Yeah, it should be here. Because later we can then do steel with. Oh wait, I wanted to see liquid poly. Poly tetrafluoride. Oh, this also works. Nice. Okay. So we have then to use less oxygen and get more polytetrafluorine out. Basically, this is Teflon, if you want to know. I think this is very interesting. That all of these have like some, let's say, real life equivalent. Yeah, this will be then later here for the. That's what you need them for. If you want to have like UHV with 32 EU volts. Lost. But I think, don't you need them for anything else? No, I don't think so, right? Yeah, only these cables. That's kind of weird. Okay. Okay, what else do we need to do? Yeah, these ones. But I think nothing else, right? Yeah, later on we can also do then the. It's actually way better than this one here. The multi-smelter is really good. Ah, fuck. Okay. Oh, it's cooling down. Okay. What are we waiting on? Okay, combustion engines. Now we need quite a lot of, like, 32 engines. 32 motors. 32 times 3. Yeah. divided by 2 is 48. Okay, but this guy here should be like... how many did we say? 19, I think, right? So, 19 times 2 is 38. Okay, we have like... I'm amazed by how good this works. Really, I have to. I don't care really, but we need more. This one here we can, unfortunately, right? Because I think, what is this for? Ah, yeah, here it's for string. But who needs string? Yeah, PBI, unfortunately, we can't. But we need it quite a lot, so this should be then fast. But yeah, in the late game, I think we will most definitely have kind of a lot of lines. So a lot of, for example, chemical reactors only doing one thing when we want to craft that. Okay, these guys should be ready. Yeah, we need now... How many? 4. Really though. No one, let's do it. But yeah, this is actually the recipe. Because it conflicts a little bit with this one. If you actually calculate, this one here gives double, and this gives, I think, 2.5. So like way more. Holy shit. So we have our electric blast furnaces. Dude, Napta's so good, dude. Holy shit. So let's construct these. Okay, we have like 3 more. I think rubber we also can't get any better, right? No. That's actually the best one. Okay. So now let's do some cheeky trick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need like 8. Okay, now the interesting part begins. We need motors, right? So 48. 32 motors, so we need a stack of tin cables, which we don't have. Let's get like, yeah, say enough, yeah, it should be enough. Then in terms of steel, this is why we have so much steel, by the way. 3, 6 times 8 should be 48, right? Okay. Yeah, these ones, they need to just grind out. But we also need more because of the gears. Just to show you this, what the gas turbine is doing, you need 2 here for them. Did they nerf that actually? I don't know. Yeah. Okay, this is just for the motors. But of course we need more. I think we need 8 more. What? It's important that they don't touch. Otherwise you have maybe some energy flow that you don't want. But we need more anyway. We need 1, 2, 3, 4 times 8 though, so 32. Yeah, let's actually... Ah, that's a bummer. We don't have any rubber anymore. Something that we should have done maybe. Then we need 2. Wait, we need 16, right? So 32 of these guys. Yeah, half of that we can also put in here. Okay, what more plates do we need? This is 4, 8, so 64. That's crazy. Okay, in terms of, I think, yeah, we don't have enough. We need 2 stacks, so. Okay, so it takes quite a while until stuff is finished. Mhm. I'm thinking right now. Wait a second. So we need 2 or 32. I think. Yeah, you're pretty dumb if you do it with a steel rod, by the way. No offense, but don't do that. Okay, the steel gears are done. Yeah, this one here is the problem now, unfortunately. Things with glue, I think we can't do anything, right? Can we actually... No, we can only do conduit binder, right? And then some stuff here, like, don't do this. So here's some large treated wood pipes. Of course, like for input buses and so on, this is a different story. Let's get some more tin. Okay, yeah, the problem is now we don't have any place for that. You're also done. But I think we have a little bit too much. Yeah, let's do like... Now we can actually, I think. Yeah. Wait. Need some more, right? 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 32, 16. Here's nothing. Yeah, but raw is kind of... Okay, but then we... the only thing that we really need to do is find some sapphire and process that. Because we have now basically all of the ingredients for we need 2 pump maybe. Two pumps. That's kind of the only thing. Or you know what? I don't care. Dude, why is Napta so good? What the hell? Why is it so overpowered? What? Oh my god, dude. Why can't I calculate correctly? Oh man. But I don't even think that diesel is better. Because to get cetane boosted diesel, you could do biodiesel, but you need methanol and seed oil or some other form of oil for that. The best one is here crystallized oil. Oh no, empowered oil, but you only get them here with the empowerer, and this requires tungsten carbide, so forget that. The point I'm trying to make is that here you get like cetane boosted diesel, which has like 1440, so 720, I would say. And that's not that much better than... because this one here is the problem. If this would have been 1, then it's actually very great. Because diesel has 1 and this has 480. And you have to kind of keep in mind, okay, this one here takes some time, takes some stuff to set up. So you need methyl acetate and nitric acid. Dude, nitric acid is not that easy. Because you need at least... yeah, you can do it with oxygen, hydrogen, and nitrogen gas. But this is also not cool. This one here is better, I think. Nitrogen dioxide and some water with some oxygen, maybe. Like, this is fine, but okay, you get some carbon here not. But yeah, this kind of... You use this one here? Yeah. I don't know, dude. Okay. Give me my wrench back. Boom. That's how we do it down south. Fuck you. We will do the clipping later. Wire cutter. It's actually the way superior method, I would say. Because now we can just... Okay. So now we need... what is it called? It's called bronze. An iron? There's not an iron pipe, right? No. Bronze pipe. These ones here, I think. So 8. Okay. Yeah, maybe we do one more water, so we have like 21. Actually, not that bad of an idea. Yeah, we went to this one, right? So yeah, the question is, or it's a little bit controversial to, or I didn't do it last time, but what you can do, I don't know if I want to do this, how much time it saves, is to actually craft the wire mill and so on, for MV, at least. Oh, it only has like 2 crafting uses left. Okay, whatever. Give me a stick. I think this should be enough. Okay, now we need like 2 more. Maybe one more cable. What? I don't know what happens with this one. Yes. What? It's still doing this, holy shit. Yeah, pump. So combustion we are done now. We need some more bronze, so 6 bronze. And I think like 8. Yep. Boss takes quite a long time. Oh shit. So basically what we need to do now is we need to calculate how much an advanced combustion generator and an advanced electrolyzer costs in terms of aluminium. Because then we can what is this? Why is it so OP, dude? I don't get it. That was loud. Should go down to 60. At what? Oh yeah. Okay, it should be 16. But apparently there's a lot more. Okay. Okay. Time to go aluminium hunting. And maybe no. We need to do one thing now. We get some more oil. We are basically now very full in terms of the EBF, but not. But yeah, oil is so overpowered, dude. Holy smitherino. I think this really can put you until HV. That is crazy, dude. Okay, time to, like, I wanna just have one here. Let's actually count. So this is the most important part. This one here is 9, I think. Here we don't need anything. Okay, 9 plus 9 is 18. So this one here needs 6, so 12. Then here we need 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 12. So 46. That is the magic number. Oh shit. Okay, 46. Now, Sapphire. It doesn't matter blue or I think both of them should spawn in the overworld, right? Yeah. Okay. So, we get 2 out. So we have to divide that by 2. Yeah, we cannot do any ore processing, unfortunately. But we need 5 to get 2. So in total, we need what? I'm very bad at this. So 46 divided by 2 times 5, so 105. And then I think we need to divide it by 2 again. So 58 sapphire. I hope this is correct. Let's see where a sapphire mine actually is. What the hell? That is actually crazy. Isn't this the lead one? Or which one is this? Yeah, that's the lead one. We have to actually go deeper? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So total, what was it? 58. Okay. Come on. The almandine is also kind of important. Because almandine is also basically what we get a lot. Sifting recipe. Ah, yeah, almandine is kind of important because of the empowered Restonia. Yeah. That's why we cannot put it in there. But basically put it into pulverizer. Because kind of the problem or the idea is, or what you actually have to do, you need a sifter. That is one of the most important parts that we also need in MD. Or this way you are first introduced into the sifter, basically. And this is why we need the flawless emeralds. Okay, we have 47. Oh, what is this? God damn it. Yeah, but I think we have enough silver. For... Come on. We just have to load. We want to get more. But yeah, the almandine is kind of really important. But the first thing that we actually want to process is lazurite. Lazurite is crazy. Because lazurite gives us straight up 3 aluminium. Without any... How do you say it? Without any problems. So the question is also, do we have like 6? How many do we have left? Oh my god. Ooh. That's huge. That's the quick thing that I knew about MV circuits. And the problem is not getting the phenol, the problem is actually getting the hydrochloric acid. Or the iron 3 chloride. Iron 3 chloride is also something that we kind of do a million times. So yeah, be prepared when you... where does it actually go? It should go north, right? Yeah, and this is north. No. There should be only some. Okay. Let's kind of get this stuff out of the water. Maybe here as well. Kind of collecting the almandine, and then we can. Okay. Yeah, let's get like a stack or so. Like at least 50, 58. One more. But we need, yeah, we cannot do that. Yeah, we need to be careful that we have kind of the correct amount. Okay, but at any time we can do that. And then we should be able to, because I think 30 is the right, 60 and 60 then goes to, or is divisible by 5. But I think I can do like here. Our last creosote. But yeah, in the meantime, we will actually craft the necessary stuff that we need for for example, the combustion and so on, copper, nickel. This one here is then important because we now need kind of sulfur just for yeah. I have a little bit of a storage issue. But this one here is then finally empty. And let's do like this. No. Okay. Okay, so first of all, we need like 6 copper cables. Yeah, maybe we should do some more. Rule number 1, you don't have enough copper. Oops. And we also need diodes, right? Okay, so diodes, we need like 3 and then 12. Okay. And I think 3 glass, right? Yeah. It's still going. Yeah, it's still this 9,000. I don't know what happened there. It's weird. Yeah. Okay, the plane balls will be kind of important for later. Okay. Then we need to prepare the motors and also the machine halls, right? So we need 2 machine halls, so 4. This will be kind of the final stretch, and then we will blast on a lot of how do you say it? Yeah, a lot of aluminium. That's what I wanted. So, question here is, okay, we need copper cables. Let's count how many copper cables we need. So, this is pretty easy. Okay, let's also do the silver wire. Silver wire. So 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yep. We can do it easily like this. That's perfect. Okay. I think it's a little bit weird that you only can get it from MV from Sapphire Aluminium, but yeah. Later on, you also need Sapphire lenses, for example, for these things. Crystal sock or engraved Lapotron crystal. But yeah, mostly for these guys then, for the IV circuit when you have set PM on the clean room. Yeah. Nope. Okay, one more. The cables we have. Yeah, it's mostly the oxygen is not a problem. But we can do some steel, I think, if we really wanted to. One. And I think this should also be quick. And the good part about the setup is that we don't have to split up or kind of wait that the combustion or that the EBF is ready, because I hope we get 46. It doesn't look good. Oh, never mind, it looks good because we get 48. Because then we can very easily now do the Lapo. What is it called? Okay. I know has maintenance issues. Still no. No time. Okay, in the meantime, what can we do? I think we need to, first of all, solve a little bit this issue here, yeah. Okay. That's great. Yeah, we also should reload this one. So we need 32 here. Maybe we need also more coal. Or you know what? Let's do it simple. Just craft more chests. Okay, and let this run here. Should be ready. Of course not. Yeah, let's first place all of them here. Keep a little bit yeah, next thing is yeah, but dude, it's so much leather, right? That's crazy. Oh man. Yeah, we get so much aluminium for that. That's crazy. Like we had some calcium, some silicon, which is very important, but kind of okay for MV power unit. We can use a lithium, cadmium, or so lithium we can then finally do, but we need an penning machine, right? And this one here is pretty easy, right? Yeah, it's just a lithium we can then finally do with I think spodumania or lepidolite or clay if you want. But I think lepidolite is better because fluorine. Maybe spodumane is actually no. Yeah, lepidolite gives a lot of lithium and fluorine. Yeah, early on you can't use that really, but on HV when you have some empowered, if you've gone through that. Actually, on HV you can do that, or after HV. I don't know why you need this, by the way. For oxidized residue, okay, never mind. It's kind of useless. But here I think we have hydrofluoric acid. This is very important. For tetrafluoroethylene, you get a lot of hydrochloric acid. Neocriolite, okay. And elemental reduction, which is kind of, yeah. But you also need it for pyrochlor, tantalite, and stone dust. But stone dust we don't want to do. Yeah, tetrafluoroethylene with chloroform. You get uranium hexafluoride. Antimony trifluoride is also important. So, and fluoro antimonic, also important. And then here, elemental reduction. Yeah, look at this. 6 left. How much did we use? Okay, quite some. Okay, you were some. But yeah, then when we have this power unit, we can then use maybe an aluminium drill. No, this is only iron. Never mind. Maybe steel. Still good. A diamond we can finally do. Yeah, diamond could be something. But it's still a 3x3, right? Okay, but it's maybe it's good. Let's steel iron, yeah. You want to have harvest level at least 3, so most of that. Maybe Eilden and steel. This could be interesting. Or blue steel. Yeah, neutronium, of course. Okay, our the stuff here is ready. A medium voltage. Yeah. So first we need 18. Plus 6. Then we need plus 8. Okay, how many sticks do we need? 1, 2, so 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5. I think. I don't know. Okay, why do we have still this stuff in here? Okay. Yeah, half of it. Thank you. Or did I? I didn't miscount it. This can't be. Oh. It's a MV electrolyzer. Yeah. No. Okay, wait a second. No, it's 5. Yeah, I miscounted somehow. I don't know why. We missed the Copernicus. Okay, MV motores. Ah, we can have an electric thruster. That's interesting. Maybe we actually do that. Oh, am I gonna take steel rods? Okay, we need like 2 steel. Put down. And then the last 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Four times 4 is 16, divided by 2 is 8. Yeah, so Cooper nickel, I can tell you, we will craft a lot. Amazing. Oh, no. We don't need that for anything, by the way. Yeah, do we use so much? It's crazy. Yeah, this one is a scam. No. Always put the spec one. So, time to get more napta. That was loud. Do we have here? We have here small, right? So small ponds. Yeah. Knew it. But the problem is we need a pump, and the only pump that we're currently having is this one. So 3. This one. What else do we need? We need some tin cables. Why don't we have tin cables anymore? What is this? What is this? Yeah. Okay. Oh. So we need a motor, this. Right. Should be 4 and then 3. Ah. Then let's do the... Oh no. God damn it, dude. Oh man. Why do we have so much oxygen, dude? What the f... It's not good. Need to place that somewhere. This only has here like. Hopefully this doesn't react. Okay, we need like 2. Give me, please, my knife. Man. But boom, yeah. Where's my bronze? Ah. But here we actually wanted to do this one, right? Yeah. So basically. Yeah. Okay. Now maybe we first. I don't know, man. Yeah, something like this. Hell yeah, boys. So, this has a little bit more room than this one. Okay. Yeah, we need to get our oxygen. Okay, I need to take a quick break and then we'll be back. All right. Yeah, we need to transport now. Oh, we need to wash all of this here. So we could. Let's see. Oh, this takes 30 seconds, dude. The problem is we would need quite a lot. Like the forge hammer, yeah. No. So no. Yeah, we could actually calculate how long it takes. But yeah, we'll just keep an eye on it. We have so much oxygen. I don't know what to do with that. Should we really do some steel? We need some steel, right? Because now steel is basically only for vacuum tubes and MV envy things here. But yeah, I think this is what we, because lazerite, right? When we electrolyze it, it just goes into something like this. I think we need a hopper, right? So 3 more chests. This is the first automation that we're actually doing. Hopper was, thank you. Was on 1. Oh, that's also a bummer. Holy shit, dude, I think I need it now. Wait, what? Oh my god, this works. Yeah, I think we need a MV chemical reactor as soon as possible for storage, dude. We have like, and for example, I think, yeah, soda line is also crazy, right? Because here we get like chlorine and also a lot of aluminium and so on. So yeah. But yeah, I will monitor the stuff because now I think we're set for MV. Maybe we actually farm a little bit more lazerite. I don't know. Let's see about this. But yeah, basically the automation is now kinda ready. So we just put everything in here and then the electrolyzer can do that. And for the beginning, this is kind of the only thing that really matters in my opinion. Oh, we still have what? Yeah. All right, then I'll see you guys next episode and bye bye.